This is Jordan09 of the Boy Now YouTube video, and today I'm gonna be in Fallout Shelter opening up 100 lunch boxes. My game will never load. There we go. The reason why I have to wait is because I modded my game so I iced them. So I got like 9,999 lunch boxes, and I've opened up like 300 of them. My shelter's massive. I've been walking for like 2 days. There we go. Let's go and just give up all the. You see how people are doing on the wasteland. And okay, well, oh, no, this is just don't okay. This guy, like, I can't show you his stats right now because he's out, but like half of his stats are maxed out. So it's gonna, I can mix between them both. So I'm gonna open up 100 of these. And, hopefully in just a second, maybe 2. Depending on how long this takes. So, this might be a while. 100 coins, some food, a shovel, and a gun, and another person. Whoa. Okay, I need more people. Here's some. Not like getting anything that good. Except for the coins. But those are pretty easy. So let me just keep leveling. Oh. Everyone's trying to bail. Oops, you guys can probably hear the extra noise from my phone. I just unmuted the game on my side. Now you can't hear it. Yeah, top side just in case. 100. Yeah, so it's looking pretty good. And another person. So let's keep opening up more. We've opened up like only 7 so far. It's like barely anything. And before we open up more, well, talk about perfect timing. Let's give him that new gun I just now got. Where is it? That. Let's give her that. Yeah, see? These people can just get maxed out. Now on this level right there, you see the brand new level. Now I went down a lot. Well, I still have 1 more level. I can still go down like super far. I'm just gonna let them in like for like a split second and send those people back out. Like send them in like fists. Like in the shelter. Like this, send them out to a wasteland. 2 in each, and a gun. I'll go out. Oh, that's a lot. Should I give them like 2 of each? This person some better armor. Like some pajamas, yay. And a gun. I can't let these people that much. I'll give them like maxed out weapons. Because I know the party are dying instantly. So I'm giving them like 2 of these. I'll keep them out there. Ooh, actually, I'm gonna give this person, I'm gonna make them like a maxed out guy. And also give them a dog. And a whole bunch of stuff and send them out. There we go. And this person's going straight out. I gave them a dog. And they're just leaving. It's on my, yeah, it's, I don't really on that much with these people, but look. Yeah. See, make sure you count this person. So, see how much my maxed out guy has taken damage. Wait, let's get one a little bit high. This. Yeah, oh, he's taking no damage at all, looks like. So is all his ranks. Yay, you leveled up. You know, you're trying to find the boy. No. He's been out there for 1.5 hours. Like, almost 2 in the street. Nothing to open up all of them right now. I'll open up like 5 more. Well, like until I reach about 70. So like 20 more. Like, I don't think that all you guys are here like this. I'll do like 20 more in this video. So if you like singing up on a bunch of axes. Yeah, see, a whole bunch of like legendary guns. Noisy when that happened. So I'm like, yeah, see, I got another person. I'm about to need some more people to come in. Let me bring this person in and head back out instantly. I send them out with a gun. And stay out there. I can go down to Central. Around there and just go on a mission. Okay, this is good too. Looks like that they found something. So let's go see what they found. It's usually good. There's always leaders, and he's like almost always. Who found this? He's like almost always leaders on them. There's like max a golden horse in it. Well, it's like golden horse things. How much one of those things I want for? Getting back because I'm free. Yeah, this one. I'm gonna pause until it loads back on. Okay, so I got. Oh, this person again. They always sign good stuff. Let's see what I find. They only have a way gun, so they're probably not gonna do that good. Shoot already! Are you like taking turns on shooting? Yeah, see, there's only one person. Cow. You probably can't hear me. There's only like one person killing us. So they're probably not just murder this guy. Shoot him! Yeah, there we go. On medkit. You see, just like I was saying, there's almost always a later. Every single one of these. All the elevators like exactly the same in every building. There's gonna be laters in this room. So in every single one of these type of buildings that they find, there's always laters. Okay, so I always put it on them when I have like half health. Watson gonna be more is in this room, so gonna be like 1. I'm probably gonna go back to base. Yeah, see? Hold it. Right, it is. Oh no. That was like way bad. Oh, awesome. A pet carrier. Yeah. Oh, it's like... Now watch on the screen when I pause the video. What the heck? It's only me pause it. Mm-hmm.